Alright guys, look, I'm on the eve of heading down to Mindfield Meet in Tennessee to meet my YouTube heroes, right? The drone guys that I've been watching, the Mr. the Mr. Ken Herron himself, Fly High, FPV Dave. It's a 14-hour car ride. I'm driving solo, and I'm a little nervous. I'm a little bit. The anxiety is in high gear, but I want to be part of this. So keep your eye on the channel, because over the next few days I'm going to be having some live broadcasts, and once I get back I'll edit all my videos and show you about this big YouTuber event that Ken Herron is actually hosting. So it should be a wild ride, and I can't wait.